What if I told you there's a platform right now where everyday people are turning short clips into real cash and almost no one is talking about
Are
it.
making $10,000, $20,000, even $30,000 per month. Show you the 3 ways to make money with content
Whop.
rewards.
And if you're still watching this, you're already ahead of 99% of people still stuck trying to go viral on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. We're earning
earns $9,000 a month. In fact, just yesterday alone, over $3 million was made on Whop.
Literally,
I'm going to show you the biggest opportunity of 2025.
Well, this video is not sponsored. This is me showing you what actually working right now for creator, freelancer, editor, and even beginners like you. Whoop is a digital marketplace. Think of it like Amazon. But instead of physical products, it's digital skills, membership, communities, and yes, viral.
people making thousands of dollars doing this by posting simple memes to Drake's songs. It's literally free money.
You will ask, how it works? Well, here how it works. You can set up your own storefront in minutes. You list your services like turning long front YouTube videos into TikTok. Buyers will find you, pay you, and you deliver.
Shipping is still wide open right now. If you go to whop.com and click on the Explore tab and then sort by content rewards, you'll see dozens of creators actively looking for clippers, but not nearly enough people doing.
And the best part? Whoop handles the payment, automate deliveries, gives you analytics, and it actually promotes your offer for you inside its own marketplace. But the real power isn't it selling services, it is selling strategy. Let me explain. Right now, the hottest niche on Whoop is clipping.
Right now are making $10,000, $20,000, even $30,000 per month.
Why? Because every big creator wants to go viral on TikTok and Shorts, but they don't have time to edit. That's where you come in. You create a clipping package, maybe 5 clips for $50. You add and upsell for faster delivery. You offer a premium package for editing and publishing. Suddenly, your $50 becomes...
What's crazy is legit anyone could do this with 0 followers, 0 experience, and do it on any social media platform.
Eye for opportunity. They're constantly searching for creators who produce content with lots of clippable moments. They study these creators' communications.
order. And the craziest part, you don't even need to be a great editor to start. You just need this one trick. Here's what smart sellers are doing. They're using tools like Opus Clip, Caption AI, and even basic CapCuts templates to create high retention edits in minutes. They test formats, see what performs, then offer this proven format to creator on Whoop. It's just not editing, it's
You don't need
optimizing.
to show your face even. You don't even need any special. You get paid to create or repurpose content about creators or brands. 1,000 views your clip generates, you earn about $1.
You are not selling clips, you are selling results. And that's how you raise your price and get return clients. One seller made $8,000 last month just from turning podcast episode into punchy TikTok with subtitle
Could do this.
and
I
zoom
tested
cuts.
the system out for about 1 month, and I'll expose exactly how much I was able to make at the end of all of these deals public, and you can see just how much these streamers and music artists are paying for people to steal their video.
Whoop pays you directly through Stripe. Fast, secure, no delays. You can track earnings, see buyer trends, and even build your own subscription offer. Want to make it passive? Here's how. You create a Notion template of content calendar, bundle it as a digital product, and list it on Whoop. People buy it. Whoop deliver it. You don't
We've even
lift a
seen Whop
finger.
offer financing options like Klarna or Afterpay built into the check. Whop charges 3% of your transactions plus processing fees if you use Whop payment.
Add affiliate links to your page, and boom, you are stacking income on top of
Still
income.
secretly getting paid.
Right now, we are in the gold rush phase. Whoop is getting buzz, but it is still early. The marketplace isn't saturated yet. So, there's urgency. Every day you wait, more creator hops in, more listing go up, and the early mover advantage fades. The FOMO is real, but we are still early, and by watching this, you know now more than 95% of the creator out there. It's like Shopify in 2015, Uber before it went mainstream. You are at the
I was able to
tipping
make
point.
nearly $3,000 my first month of trying this. And if I could do it, literally anyone could do this. I tested the system out for about 1 month and I'll expose exactly how much I was able to make at the end of the
So here's what you do. Go to the link in the description. Sign up for free. Set up your first listing in under just 10 minutes and start testing.
Create or join communities, sell digital products, and join challenges like a content reward challenge where you can get paid in dollars for creating simple.
Don't overthink. Don't wait. Because the people who move fast are the one who wins. I am not just showing you the platform. I am handling you a path. And the only question is, are you gonna walk it or let someone else take your spot?